Okay, so this is, if you haven't seen the video on tetrachords, do it first. Now here we are, Mel Bay grade 2, page 13. 13. Now, once we know our tetrachords, let's talk about related keys. How why does this matter to you? Well, the first tetrachord of the C scale, check this out. This is actually pretty cool, right? It's a 2-for-1 sale on learning your scales. So let's go ahead and play the C scale here. C, D, E, F. That's the first tetrachord of your C scale. Tetrachord. Crazy word. Just call it 4 notes, all right? It's the first 4 notes of your C scale. That is the last 4 notes of the F scale. Isn't that cool? So, check this out. What? We started off with a C scale. Do, re, mi, fa. We've completed the first tetrachord of the C scale. It is the same as the last tetrachord, or the last 4 notes of the F scale. So this starts, the light, okay, the light in the head starts to go on about so much overlap in scales, in related keys. That's good. That's about 4 note overlap between 2 chords. The C chord has do, re, mi, fa, and the F chord has do, re, mi, fa. Right? Now, last but not least, a typical song will have the C chord, the F chord, the G chord, a typical 1, 4, 5 in C. How can we leverage this knowledge to help us in a song, playing a melody, or understanding the chord harmony, or just taking a little instrumental pass? Now we're at the G chord. The second tetrachord of the C scale, as you will see here, is the first 4 notes of the G scale. So let's just be very plain about this. The first tetrachord of the C scale is the first tetrachord of the C scale and the second tetrachord of the F scale. The first tetrachord of the C scale will always, 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 and forevermore be the second tetrachord, or the last 4 notes of him, whoever is in the last slot of your first tetrachord. The second tetrachord will always and forever be the last 4 notes of the master key here, as well as the first 4 notes of your 5 chord, your G chord. Your G chord. So that's how the related keys work. I think that's enough on that. I have a sense for when things are getting a little too out there. So that's all you need to know for now, and that it's going to serve you very well in training your ear and understanding how many notes overlap. I'll simply play for you the area now. I'll play for you and read to you the area under related keys. Okay? Related keys. Reiterate, the first tetrachord of the C scale will be the last tetrachord of the F scale. The second tetrachord, or final 4 notes, of the C scale becomes the first bit of the G scale. Let's play a C chord, an F chord, a G chord. Over the C chord, I'll strum a C chord. I want you to go do, re, mi, fa. Okay? Do, re, mi. And right on fa, I'm going to switch to the F chord. And it's going to sound like we went home to F. All right. You do do, re, mi, fa. All right, that's what you're going to do. I'll do the chord strum. You do the F note. You just play C, D, E, F. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, re, mi, fa. It sounds like we went home. Now we're in the key of F, doesn't it? Come back. All right. Good. Again, you're going to play do, re, mi, fa, fa, mi, re, do. That's familiar, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, re, mi, fa, fa, mi, re, do. Aha. You see, it helps us navigate the murky waters here between chords. We have the first tetrachord of the key of F you see illustrated in the middle of the page in the Mel Bay book is F, G, A, B flat. The second tetrachord sorry, I'm getting over a cold. Second tetrachord of F would be okay. And now we're going to play the second tetrachord as indicated on the page, G, A, B, C. So your job now is to go do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. That's it. Now, if you'd like to play the G scale, it would be do, re, mi, fa, D, E, F sharp, G. We've just modulated totally to the key of G. So, that's how keys are related. All right. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.